Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It is class 11, subject zoology, and our today's topic is aves. Aves, Hiram aves. The term aves has been derived from a Latin word that is aves. Aves meaning birds. So dear students, the term aves has been derived from a Latin word that is aves, aves meaning birds. And there are about 9,000 species of birds. In this file. Let's discuss its general characters. General characters one by one. Number one, birds have warm-blooded animals. Body is feathered and body temperature remains always constant. The first character, that is, they have a feathered body, warm-blooded animals, and their body temperature remains constant. Number two, in birds, four limbs are modified with two wings, or into two wings. Four limbs are modified into two wings. Number second character is that in birds, four limbs are modified into two wings. And the number third character is that birds are bipedal. They are bipedal, and if you go to the next character, that is, respiration takes place in birds. In birds, respiration takes place by lungs. Respiration takes place by lungs. If we talk about the respiration in birds respiration takes place by lungs. If we talk about its excretion, kidney in birds is metanephric, and the chief nitrogenous waste is uric acid. Chief nitrogenous waste is uric acid. And the next character is birds have a special voice producing organ. Birds have a special voice producing organ called syrinx. The birds have a special voice producing organ called syrinx. Its next character is that birds heart is four chambered. All the birds have a four chambered heart. In birds, heart is four chambered. And the next character is that all the seed eating birds, gallbladder is absent. Gallbladder is absent in all the seed eating birds, except pigeon. If we talk about the next character, that is all the birds are oviparous. If we talk about the example of urinary bladder is absent in all the birds. Urinary bladder is absent in all the birds except one, that is an American bird, Raza, an American bird which has a urinary bladder. If we talk, give the examples of birds, that is vulture, crow, peacock, parrot, etc. This is about the phylum Aves. I would like to repeat these points again. This term Aves has been derived from a Latin word, that's Aves. Aves meaning birds. And there are about 9,000 species of birds in this phylum. If we talk about one by one, it is general characters. That is, in birds, heart is four-chambered, gallbladder is absent in all the birds, seed-eating birds, and all the birds are bipedal. Body is feathered, warm-blooded, and the body temperature remains constant. Urinary bladder is absent in all the birds except Raza, an American bird, and some other characters we have already told you about this phylum. And next time, this is the last phylum of this lesson. Inshallah, in the next lesson we will start cell biology. Thank you.